Instagram, Facebook. It is more expensive to eat. More expensive to eat. No, it's more expensive to keep my hair shaved and for my allergy. When I was in college getting my MBA, I had like a bad allergy disease where the right eye almost came out the socket. I was in the hospital for about 2 or 3 months. I can't remember. I know I was in there at least 2 months. I had to have the major surgery. They put me into the ICU ward where you're not supposed to be around people. Luckily, I had a doctor who figured out what I have. Otherwise, they were going to cut out my eye. And even though they would have taken out the eye, the poison in the brain was still growing. Poison in the nostril, which was the sinusitis, was growing and was going back toward my brain. And I still would have died. So their solution wouldn't have worked. So since then, I've had to have a different type of allergy medicines. And at first, they were like $7.99, $9.99. Now they jumped up to $15.99. So that was part of my bill yesterday. And then I have to get my razors for my head. Got to get the Gillette Fusion, $25.99. So $25.99 plus $15.99. You do the math. I can't even do the math. What is that? $44. And then after that, the rest of my bill went to food. So $44 of my $133 was 2 items. That's why I say inflation is real. My Gillette Fusions I can go try to buy them at CVS. They give me the 20% off coupon. But sometimes I just go buy them at Vons. I'm not shopping around for razors. It's like you ain't getting that much of a deal with the gas. So make sure you subscribe. I want to teach you guys about the power of interest. People don't even know how much they're paying for their credit card. That's why people's balances go down. People don't understand what the cost of money is. And that's what I'm trying to help you when you see my t-shirt, Power of Interest. I want to teach you how to use the power of interest to make more money. Especially you guys with debt. If you have $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 debt, DM me or put your information in the email. I'm going to show you a trick. It's a badass trick. I could put $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 of extra money in your pocket. You don't have to pay back. You can take that money to pay your bills and go out and do some shopping, which means just go out and eat. So subscribe, because inflation is here. Remember my Oreo cookie example. In June 2021, July, you can buy the Oreo cookie 6-pack. You know what I'm talking about. You buy it at the liquor store, or you can buy them at a Chevron. 99 cents. Now I bought them at another gas station over there off of Mountain View near the 10 freeway in Redlands. $1.79. You know what that is? That's an 80% inflation increase. Price inflation was $1.79 minus 99. 80% was the price inflation. The percentage of price inflation increase was 80%. You're paying 80% more for those Oreo cookies that you got in July 2020 that you could get in like June 2023. That's why people ain't got no money, man. That's why they be driving all fast and crazy. I don't care if you have a Beamer or whatever. Half of you guys have 5 or 6 roommates, man, rolling a Audi and BMW. Still, you got to pay for the gas, dog. It ain't no shortcuts no more. Subscribe. Let me teach you about the power of money, man, because days are going to get crazy. That's why I got to pay off your debt, pay off your credit cards, get those student loans paid off, man, because that's going to influence where you're going to live going forward. All right, let me know what you think.